Good morning, children. So far we have learned multiplication of fractions, a whole number by a fraction, and then a fraction by a fraction. Now today we are learning about word problems based on multiplication of fractions in worksheet number 9. So let us see how to do the problems. Geeta has 8 marbles. She gave 1/4 to her brother. How many marbles did her brother get? Now total, how many marbles are there Geeta has? Geeta has 8 marbles. She gave 1/4 to her brother. So how much is 1/4 of 8? Now let us find it. So her brother got how many marbles? 1/4. 1/4 out of 8. So 1/4 of 8. 1/4 into 8. So here 4 is a factor of 8. So let us divide this 4 and 8 by 4. So 4 in 4 goes one time and 4 in 8 goes 2 times. So now in numerator you have 1 into 2, that is 2, and in denominator you are having only 1. So 2 by 1 is equal to 2. So Geeta gave 2 marbles to her brother. Geeta has 8 marbles and she gave 2 marbles to her brother. So this way we can solve the problems based on multiplication. Now let us do one more sum. Cost of 1 kg apples is 25.5 rupees. What is the cost of 1.5 kgs? So here in the previous problem we are given a whole number and we found 1/4 of it, isn't it? But here both the numbers, kg apples cost 125.5 rupees and we have to find 1.5 kgs of apples. So here we are doing the multiplication, but when we are doing both are mixed fractions that are given to us. Now let us see. Cost of 1 kg apples, 25.5 rupees. Cost of 1.5 kgs will be 28 and 25.5 rupees into 1.5 because we want the cost of 1.5 kgs. So multiplied by 1.5. Now both are mixed fractions. So let us convert them into improper fractions. So 25.5 can be done as 2 into 25 plus numerator 1 by 2. So 25 2s are 50 plus 1, 51 by 2. Now convert 1.5 into improper fraction. So 1 into 2 plus 1 by 2. So 2 plus 1 by 2 gives you 3 by 2. Now let us multiply 25.5 into 1.5. So 25.5 can be written as 51 by 2 and 1.5 is equal to 3.5. Here there are no common factors for 2 and 51 or 2 and 3. Isn't it? So multiply both the numerators and multiply both the denominators. So 51 into 3 will give you 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. So 153. And when you multiply the denominators, you have 2 into 2, 4. So, but 153 by 4 is an improper fraction. Now let us convert this into mixed fraction by dividing it by 4. So go to the margin and divide it. 153 by 4. So 4 goes 3 times in 15. So 15 minus 12 is 3. Bring down this 3. Again 4 goes 8 times 32 and the remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. So you write it as 38 1 by 4 as a mixed fraction. So the cost of 1.5 kgs of apples is 38 1 by 4 kgs. So this way there are 4 more sums. Total 6 sums are there. The remaining sums you have to do yourself. First 1 hour I won't give any answers. Later on I'll give the answers. But remember, when you are writing the answers, you should first copy the questions from the textbook, then work out the answer. And on top you should mention the date and worksheet number. That is very, very important. Write the question first, then the answer. Again, draw one line. Next, write the second question and write the second answer. See how I have written. I have written the first question, answer, then a line, then second question, answer. So like that, you have to do each sum. Every sum question should be written first, then the answer very neatly and clearly. Some of you are not writing neatly. That next time I won't agree at all. Okay, so write it neatly, clearly, so that you would understand when you have to learn for the CTs. Thank you.